Hello, welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In this video we will learn about relatives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our videos. Let's go! Hi there! My name is Harper, and I'm going to teach you the family members in English. This is my mother. Her name is Jane. This is my father. His name is Joseph. My mother and my father are my parents, and they are married. My mother is his wife and my father is her husband. They have 3 children. Me and my sister are their daughters and my brother is their son. Me, Harper. My sister Kate and my brother Ben. We 3 are siblings. This is my eldest sister. Her name is Kate. This is my younger brother. His name is Ben. Let's remember what we have learned. Relatives. Relatives. Parents and children. Parents and children. Husband and wife. Husband and wife. Daughter and son. Daughter and son. Brother and sister. Brother and sister. Siblings. Siblings. Relatives. Parents and children. Husband and wife. Daughter and son. Siblings. Mother, mom or mommy. Father, dad or daddy. Older brother or younger brother. Older sister or younger sister. This is my grandmother. Her name is Genevieve. You can say grandma or nana or granny as well. This is my grandfather. His name is Alfred. You can say grandpa as well. Me and my sister are their granddaughters and my brother is their grandson. These are my great-grandparents, Carl and Julie. He is my great-grandfather and she is my great-grandmother. Me and my sister are their great-granddaughters and my brother is their great-grandson. And we 3 are their great-grandchildren. Let's remember what we have learned. Grandmother, grandma, nana, or granny. Grandfather or grandpa. Granddaughter and grandson. Grandchildren. Great-grandparents. Great-grandfather and great-grandmother. Great-granddaughter and great-grandson. Great-grandchildren. Watch this video more than once so you can learn properly. This is my aunt. Her name is Chloe. She is my mother's sister. And this is her husband and my Uncle Arthur. They have a child called Jordan. He is my cousin. Jordan is my mother's nephew. If he were a girl, he would be her niece. Let's remember what we have learned. Aunt and uncle. Cousin. Nephew and niece. How about you? Do you have a big or small family? I hope you enjoyed our video and learned a lot with it. Now you know the family members in English. See you soon. Bye.